Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do negative numbers and integers exercise 4b. So in this exercise, we're going to do operations on integers. That is addition and subtraction of integers using number lines. So let's look at question 1. Here we have two integers plus 7 and plus 4. Both are positive integers and we're going to add them. So the first step is to draw a number line. So we have a number line and then we need to start marking the numbers. So remember, this is an integers number line. So this will have an arrowhead at this end and an arrowhead on the other end also to show that it goes on endlessly on both sides. The numbers go on endlessly. So we need to start with a 0. Now let's put 0 here. Now normally when we add a 0, we put it somewhere in the middle. Now why have I put 0 here towards this end is because in my question I have two positive integers. That means I will need a lot of positive integers on my number line. That's why I put my 0 here, and we will have a few negative integers also. So here let's have some negative integers. This will be -1 and -2. So this will be +1. To the right of 0 are all the positive integers. +2, +3, +4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we have positive integers on the right of 0 and we have negative integers on the left of 0. So this is an integers number line. Now let's go back to the question and look at the first integer given. It's +7. So whatever the first integer is, you start from 0 and go to that integer. So +7, where is it? It is here on the right side of 0. So we start from 0 and we come up to 7. So let's do that. So we are going to start from 0 and we're going to draw a line all the way up to 7 plus 7. So we've got that. So we've got this line and this has come to 7. So what is this? We have got +7. Now go back to the question. Now since this is addition and we have to go on, we have to look at the second integer. So here look at the sign given. The sign given here is plus. That means you have to move to your right. From wherever you have stopped, from there you have to move to the right by 4 steps. So that is, we stopped at 7, isn't it? Now we have to continue to move to the right 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we will reach 11. So we're going to start from +7 and move 4 steps to the right. So we're going to start from here. Let's move 4 steps to the right. So we have reached +11. So here, as you can see, this is +4. We have added 4 and we have reached +11. So this is our answer. So we have done addition on the number line. So let's write the answer there, +11, which is our final answer. So what did we see here? What did we notice? When we add two integers with the same sign, okay, when signs are the same, put the same sign and add the numbers. 7 plus 4 is 11. So that is the rule you must follow. When signs are the same for addition, put the same sign and add. So that's what we did here. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Here we have 0 plus +6. So let's draw our number line first. So we have our number line here. So it's an integers number line. Let's start with a 0. We have 0 and then 1, 2, 3. Remember, these are all plus signs, okay? +1, +2, +3, and then we have +4, +5, +6, and +7. And on the other side, we have negative integers. So that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Now let's start. The first integer is 0. That means we are starting from 0. We don't have to go anywhere else because 0 is there itself. Then we have to look at the next integer. Now the sign is plus. That means we move to the right by 6 places. So from 0, 6 places will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will reach 6. So we're going to start from 0 and go up to 6. So let's do that. Let's start from 0 and let's go up to 6. Okay, so here we have reached 6. So what have we done? We have added 6 and we have reached this answer, which is also plus 6. So let's write this as our answer here. 0 plus 6 is plus 6. So here also we have done the addition using the number line. Question 3. Plus 5 plus 0. So first the number line and then we start with 0. We have all the positive numbers to the right. So let's write plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can stop. Okay, if you need more, you can write more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll stop with that. Now let's go to the question. We have plus 5. Remember, the first integer, you start from 0 and reach that. So we're going to start from 0 and reach plus 5. So 0 and plus 5 is to the right. It's here. So we're starting from 0 and we're going to reach plus 5. That's the first part. So we have here, we have 0. We're going to start from there. We've reached plus 5 and this is plus 5. That's how we have reached. Now let's look at the next integer, plus 0. That means how many places do we move? We don't have to move any places because the number is 0. So we remain there itself. So our answer is 5. This is our answer, plus 5. So we can write that answer here. 0 plus 5 is plus 5. So we've got our answer to this question also. Question 2, first one in this time we have a negative integer and a positive integer that we have to add. So first let's begin with the number line. So we draw the integers number line. Don't forget to put the 2 arrowheads on both sides and then start with 0 and write your positive numbers on the right side. You can write a few numbers and if you need more you can continue and write. So we'll write up to 5. If you need, you can write more. On the other side also, we'll write up to 5. So minus 2, that's minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now let's look at the first integer. It's minus 4. So from 0, we're going to start and come up to minus 4. So where is minus 4? It's here. So 0 is here. So this time you're moving to the left. Okay, from 0, we are coming to minus 4. So let's do that. So we are starting from 0 and we're coming towards minus 4. So that's there. So this is minus 4. So we've reached minus 4. Now let's look at the next integer. It's plus 5. That means wherever you have stopped, from there you have to move 5 steps to the right. Right, because it's a plus sign and 5 steps. So from minus 4, we're going to move 5 steps to the right. Let's see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are coming up to plus 1. That is, we are starting from minus 4. So let's do that. Minus 4 and 5 steps to the right. We'll come all the way here, that is up to plus 1. So we've got our answer here. This is plus 1 and we have moved 5 steps to the right. So we've got our answer plus 1. Let's write the answer here, plus 1. Now look at the question and the answer. The question has 1 minus sign and 1 plus sign. So signs are different. When signs are different, look out for the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 5. So put that sign of the bigger number. The bigger number has a plus sign, so we have put a plus sign. Now minus the two numbers. 5 minus 4 is 1. That is, when signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. Keep that rule in mind. Question 2. We have 0 plus minus 2. So let's begin by first drawing the integers number line and then we have 0 and let's have a few numbers. So now we have positive numbers to the right of 0 and negative numbers to the left of 0. So now let's begin. Start with the first integer which is 0 itself. That means we don't have to move from anywhere from 0. We remain in 0. Now look at the next integer. It has a minus sign. If it has a minus sign, that means we are moving to the left. By how many places? 2 places. So from 0, 2 places will be 1, 2, which is minus 2. So let's begin. We can begin from 0 and we're going to move 2 places to the left because it is minus. So we've moved 2 places to the left. So this is minus 2 and we've reached minus 2 here. So this is our answer. So here let's write that. The answer is minus 2. So we've got our answer. Next question, we have minus 1 plus 4. So negative integer and a positive integer. So the number line, let's draw. Now we have 0. Let's write a few numbers. So we have all our positive numbers to the right of 0 and negative numbers to the left of 0. Now let's go back to the question. The first integer is minus 1. So starting from 0, we need to go to minus 1. From 0 to minus 1 is right here itself. So let's do that. So 0 to minus 1. So let's write minus 1 here. Now let's look at the next integer. It is plus 4. That means from where we stopped, we have to move 4 places to the right. Because it's a plus sign, we are moving to the right and 4 places. So let's see from minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places will be plus 3. So let's do that. So we have plus 3 there. So we started from minus 1, we moved 4 places to the right and we reached plus 3. So this is our answer. We moved 4 places to the right and we've got plus 3. So let's write our answer here, plus 3. So now can you look at the question, children? Now here we have one minus sign and one plus sign. So when signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is correct and we have done that on the number line also. Question 3, the first one is plus 4 plus minus 2, a positive integer and a negative integer. So first draw the number line and then you have 0 and let's put the positive numbers on the right of 0 and the negative numbers to the left of 0. So let's look at the first integer, it's plus 4. So from 0, we're going to start and go up to plus 4. So let's start, we're starting from 0 and we're going up to plus 4. That is the first line drawn. So this is plus 4. So we have reached plus 4. Now let's look at the second integer, it is minus 2. So wherever we stopped, from there we have to move 2 places to the left because the sign is minus. And we have to move 2 places to the left. So we are starting from 4. So we stopped here. So we're going to start from here and we're going to move 2 places to the left. So that is 2 places to the left. So this is minus 2. And what have we reached? We have reached plus 2 here, isn't it? We have reached plus 2. So that means plus 2 is our answer. So let's write the answer here. So this is So our answer here is plus 2. So when signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. That's what we did. We put the sign of the bigger number and we subtracted 4 minus 2 and we got 2. Question 2. We have plus 3 and minus 6. So the number line and then we start with the numbers. So we have 0 to the right we will have positive numbers and to the left we will have negative numbers. So we have our numbers. Now let's begin. Look at the first integer, plus 3. So from 0, go to plus 3. So we are starting from 0 and we're going to go up to plus 3. So we have done that. We've started from 0 and we've gone up to plus 3. Now look at the second integer. It's minus 6. That means wherever you stopped, from there you're going to move 6 places to the left because it has a minus sign. So let's see 6 places from plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to stop at minus 3. We are starting from plus 3 and we're going to stop at minus 3. So let's do that. So we've drawn that and we've stopped at minus 3. So here we started at 3 and we stopped at minus 3. So how many places did we move? We moved 6 places to the left and we reached our answer which is minus 3. So let's write our answer here. Here it is minus 3. So here also look at the question. Can you see two different signs? When signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number. We put minus and subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3. So here we got minus 3. On our number line also we got minus 3. Question 3. 3 plus minus 7. So the number line, and then we have 0. So let's write all the other numbers. So we have a positive numbers and negative numbers. Let's go to the question. So the first number is 3. 3 or plus 3 is the same. So we are starting from 0 and we are going to go up to plus 3. So we are starting from 0 and we're going to go up to plus 3. So we've got that. So this is plus 3. Now look at the next integer. The next integer is minus 9, minus 7. That means we stopped at 3. We have to move 7 places to the left because there is a minus sign. So from 3, we're going to move 7 places to the left. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to stop at minus 4. So we've done that. So where did we start from? We started from my plus 3 and we have ended at minus 4 because we did minus 7. We moved 7 steps to the left. So now we've got our answer. Our answer here is minus 4. So let's write that answer there. So here this is minus 4. And again, signs are different, isn't it? So let's follow that rule. When signs are different, now 3 doesn't have a sign. But when a number doesn't have a sign, it's understood that it's a plus sign. So when signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. So here we got minus 4. On a number line also we have minus 4. Question 4, first one, minus 1 plus minus 2. So first step, draw the number line and then let's start writing our numbers. Now we have our positive numbers and negative numbers. Let's begin. Now the first integer is minus 1. So from 0, we're going to go up to minus 1. That's the first step. So let's start from 0 up to minus 1. So we've got that. So this is minus 1. Now let's look at the next integer. It is minus 2. So starting from where we stopped at minus 1. We have to move 2 places to the left again because it's minus. Starting from here, 2 places to the left will be 1, 2. So we will reach minus 3. So let's draw that. So from 1, we stopped at minus 1, isn't it? So we're going to continue from minus 1. And when you move 2 places to the left, you reach minus 3. So we've got minus 3 here. So what is our final answer? Minus 3. So let's write the answer here and check whether it's correct. So here signs are different, are the same. Can you see, children? When signs are the same, you put the same sign and you add. When signs are the same, you put the same sign and you add. Though it says minus 1 and minus 2, we are adding because the signs are the same. So here we have minus 3 and number line also has minus 3. So it's correct. Question 2. Now here also we have two negative integers, minus 3 and minus 4. So let's do this on the number line. So we have the number line, we have 0. Now let's write all the other numbers. So now we have a positive and a negative integers. Let's begin. Minus 3. So starting from 0, go up to minus 3. So this is the first step. We have minus 3 here on the left of 0. So we're going to start from 0 and go up to minus 3. So we've done that. So we've got minus 3 here. Now let's look at the next integer. It's minus 4. So wherever we stopped, from there we're going to go 4 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're stopping at minus 7. Let's do that. Starting from minus 3 up to minus 7. So we have done that also. So what did we do? We started at minus 3 and we counted 4 steps to the left. That is minus 4. And we reached minus 7. So this is our answer. The answer is minus 7. So let's write that here, minus 7. And let's also check it the other way. When signs are the same, isn't it? When signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 4 plus 3 is 7. So we've got minus 7 there and we also have minus 7 on the number line. Next one, minus 2 plus minus 5. Again, we have two negative integers. So let's draw the number line. We have 0. Let's write all the numbers. So now that we have all our numbers, let's proceed. We're starting with minus 2. From 0, we're going to go up to minus 2. That's the first step that we're going to do. Starting from 0, going up to minus 2. Okay, so since minus 2 is on the left, our arrowhead is pointing to the left. So that's minus 2. Now look at the next integer, it's minus 5. That means wherever we stopped, from there, we need to move 5 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is starting from minus 2. So let's do that. Let's start from minus 2 and move 5 steps to the left because it is minus 5. So we have done that. We started from here and we reached minus 7 when we moved 5 steps to the left. So we moved 5 steps to the left. And what is the number that we have reached? We have reached minus 7. So that is our answer here. This is equal to minus 7. Now let's check our answer here also. When signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 2 plus 5 is 7. So we've got minus 7 here and we've also got minus 7 on this number line. So both these answers are correct. So let's stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.